Hey everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to do tinning to make angle stop look chrome. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This right here is an angle stop that's been chromed. You can see it's chrome all the way. So I'm going to do that exact same thing with the one next to it. That's copper. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. Pay attention. Alright, first thing is heat it all up, pipe and angle stop. We're going to heat it all up, but then we're going to hold the flame on the inside of the angle stop. That way, the little blue flame is where you want to hold it, because the blue flame is the hottest, and it'll discolor it less because it won't put out carbon onto it and have black buildup. See, right now I'm just dumping it on there, and then keep it heated, wipe it, and that's it. That's all there is to it. That right there is tinned. I'm gonna put a little dab there just to make sure. The angle stop don't leak. Wipe it, done. So that's done there. We're gonna let this cool down a little bit. And wiping it right afterwards helps get the flux off there. The flux is still wet, so and heated up, so it's easier to wipe off. And then you just sand these little boogers off there. Sand it a little bit, make it look shiny. And there you go. Now I have a tinned. You can see there, it's a tinned valve. They all look like they come out of the wall chrome. So that's how you do that, folks. See you next time.